passionate about to learn English language nowadays because I found some peace to it because whenever I able to communicate with the different kinds of people, I'm able to gathering lots of information from different kinds of people and different types of peoples. And I can communicating with them only because of my English language. And through that process, I'm gather informations, enhancing my communication skill with other people, and enhancing my English language as well. And that is all about mine. And for my profession, I am a nurse in Bangladesh, and I am working at a hospital currently.
So, what do you do in hospital? Maybe.
Sorry, what did you say? Would you repeat it again, please?
Yeah. So everything what you do is that is fine. So what do you do in hospital? Your particular job, anything?
Yeah, my particular job is I already mentioned to you that I'm a nurse. So my
Nurse.
job is to helping other people in hospital, give them medication, give them proper treatment, give them mental satisfactions to my patients and their relatives as well.
So
Yes,
what is the
all that.
time right now? What is the time right now over there?
In my country right now, 6:44 p.m. What about you?
So half
As
an
I
hour difference.
know, yes,
Six
as I know,
okay,
we have
half an hour
only
difference.
only half hour
Nice.
difference.
So are you
Yeah.
married?
Yes, I'm married and I married. It's been only 6 months.
6 more recently you got married.
Yes, recently I got married.
So so how is going on your new life?
Now my new life is going on so well, and I am really very happy with my new life because everyone needed partners, and I got it. I am only 23 years, to 23 years young people, and at that early stage of my life, I got married, and I found my
Arrange.
life partner. That is really a great thing for mine.
Okay.
But
I
so
think
many
you are love
people,
marriage. I think you
no,
got love marriage.
that was not love
That is
marriage,
love.
and
Uh-huh. Only
yeah.
for the arranged marriage. So
Yes,
your
but that
she's
was
also
both.
working.
There was love marriage and arranging marriage both.
Okay. She's also
Yes.
working.
No,
Homemaker.
she is not working. She is a student
Student.
of
Okay.
inter level. Yes, higher
What did you study?
secondary.
Yeah. What did you
She
study
is studying.
completed?
She is studying higher secondary schools in Bangladesh.
Okay. Okay. What study you have completed?
uh, Me or my wife?
No, no, you only because of your the working and the
Yes,
hospital.
I have done my nursing diploma in from a reputed college in Bangladesh, nursing college.
I think so. Can I ask one question?
Yes, definitely you can ask
In
me
which
so many
in which
questions.
yeah, in which purpose you want to speak in English? Maybe you are working in the hospital, so mostly patients are talking only for your local language, Bangla. So maybe you don't have much speaking communication. But in which purpose you want to? Can I get you?
Yes, definitely. I already mentioned you one thing that I am really very passionate to learn English language, learn new skills and new things. I'm very passionate to communicating with different kinds of peoples. And
Okay.
in my working purpose, might be there is not need
Mhm.
to communicating with other people in English language in my hospital, but
Yes.
uh, you can grow yourself by many different way. And nowadays English is
Yes.
becoming brand. You
Yes.
have to learn
Exactly.
English language anyhow in order
Yes.
to gather lots of information from around the world. You can
Mhm.
connect with the world easily because of the internet. But if you don't know English language, you might not get other people's what they're saying, what they are expressing, and what is going around. So
Yes.
English is definitely very crucial for every people.
Yes. Nowadays, any field also you need to speak only for the communication.
Yeah.
Yes, am I right? You can go any job also. First, they will ask your communication, self introduction. They will easily identify how to speak your communication, what's your education. You completed and what about your education background, your local language or English medium?
Yeah. Sorry, what did you say? Did you
No,
ask
no.
any questions, please?
Yeah, yeah. What about your education background? Your local language or English medium?
No, I was studying till my higher secondary schools. There was in English, there was in my local language, which is Bengali. But after that, when I admitted in nursing college, my
Mm.
nursing studies, at that time there was all my books were in English language.
Yeah. How many languages do you speak?
I speak Bengali, I speak English, these two, but I
Okay.
understand Santali language, which is
Tali.
a small tradition people in Bangladesh, and I speak a little bit Hindi as well because I
Yeah,
have seen some different. I have seen
the
variety of
border,
movies,
the border,
and
Kolkata. Kolkata people also speaking Bengali language.
yes, Kolkata people is
Are you
also
staying nearby
speak in
India
Bengali.
border? Are you staying nearby India border?
Yep.
Kolkata.
My hometown is very close to Indian border,
Yeah.
and the districts is probably I cannot remember right now, but we
Okay,
are
okay,
close
okay.
to Indian border and West Bengal.
Oh, yeah, West Bengal, Kolkata.
Yes, Kolkata. We are
Yeah.
close to West Bengal.
Okay, good way, good way. And I have asked you one question. And how long you have been practicing on English, and when did you join in this group?
Uh, more than 3.5 years. I have been
Three.
practicing my
Oh,
yep. I have been practicing my English language, but in this platform, someone added me theirs, and they told me you can add here, you can find more people's communicating with other people using English
yeah.
language.
Yeah, the mostly people are YouTubers are there. Are you a YouTuber?
I'm not a YouTuber, but nowadays I'm trying to make YouTube
Okay,
videos
okay.
in order to helping other people. If they listen to our conversations, they might get some help from our conversations.
Yes, yes, yes. For me, I will give you one suggestion. So, for the
Yep.
past 3.5 years, you're speaking your communication. I really appreciate your accent. Also, totally different. Maybe you're connected with
Thank you
different
very
kind of
much.
people.
Thank you, really, really. Thank you very much. I really highly appreciate it.
Yes. So you can try to create a YouTube channel and make videos, this kind of videos in conversation. You can upload videos. You can give some suggestion to beginners or learning people because of you speaking very well, the accent.
Yes, thank you very much, my friends. And nowadays, I'm trying to teaching English language to other peoples, and
Yeah.
which is completely free
Yeah.
through the social media, YouTube videos, and Facebook page as well. And I started uploading English videos to YouTube and Facebook page as well.
So earlier you
And
said,
I'm getting good responses from people
yes, yes. So earlier you
because
said, yeah,
as you know, so many people suffering in their English language, in
yes,
their English
yes,
accents
exactly right,
in
exactly right.
Bangladesh because our native language is not Bengali, not
Mm,
English,
mm, mm. Yeah,
But English becomes so crucial nowadays. So many people trying to learn
yes,
English
yeah. You
language.
need to speak.
But the people who know English a little bit, they can push other people, they can help other people. And I'm trying to do that to helping others.
Mm, yes.
I'm using my free time to help other people. That is, and I found some peace with that.
So are you regular person in this chat? You
Mm,
connect to daily? Are you connecting to anyone in this chat?
yes, yes, but not accurately regular. But I would love to talk with other people regular basis. But some days I got job. I used to some. I used to more busy, and that time if I couldn't have any time to speak with other people at that time,
Mm.
I may not able to connect with other people.
And how would you manage? So you are working on a nurse, so maybe you don't have particular shift. So sometimes you're working on night shift, sometimes you're working on a day shift. So how would you
Yep.
manage?
Yes. At the very beginning stages,
Yes. Okay.
in the very
Sometimes you have
beginning
very
stages, immerse yourself with a new environment in a new situation that's will be a little bit tough, little bit difficult for you, but over time that will be familiarize yourself, that will suit of yourself. And that happened to mine.
mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. To me, any other things asked to me?
Yeah. So, what about you? Are you married? I don't think
No, no,
so.
I'm not a mother. So recently I got
Yes,
just married.
because
So I was thinking,
you. Yes, because you so happy persons and you don't have that much tension in your mind. You are
after
smiling all the
marriage,
time. But
yes,
after
after
marriage,
marriage, you got very happy.
you have to go through a little bit
Yeah.
depressions
So
because you have to
recently,
arrange food for your family.
recently started the new life, and maybe it will coming up and downs also. Just you can
Eh,
manage.
Yeah,
Yeah,
pray for me, bro.
yeah, yeah.
So, what is your educational background, man? Oh, please. What
My
do you do for a
educational,
living?
yeah, I complete my post graduation MCA.
Wow, you have completed your post graduation. But so many people, Indian people, they are going to abroad countries for their higher studies. So, what do you
Yes.
think about it? Are you
Yeah. I
preparing
have
for your?
also, yeah, I have also dream also. So recently I started my career. If I learn something communication and answers, I will improve my some technologies also. So after I will get by God grace, if I have any offer on site, I will go to the out of country. So I have also a lot of dreams and they.
Wow, that's good. So, best of luck for yourself, bro. And you can go abroad country because your English is very well. I have to say. How many days have you been practicing your English language?
Oh yes, approximately 1.5 year, but I'm not perfect.
One
I
and a
have
half
some skill.
years. So, do you regular practice? Do you practice
No,
your
no,
English language on a regular
I'm not.
basis?
Yeah, I'm really saying I'm not a regular person here. Almost few days back I joined this call. Today I were the first caller. I'm really excited connecting with you.
Wow, that sounds great. You practice your English language only 1.5 years, but still, I have to say your English is very fluent. You can understand English language very well. Your comprehension about English language is very well. You know your accents, your fluency, your speed is correct. Your grammar is correct. You
Yeah.
know
Then how did you
you
learn
you
starting up your
speaking English language with accuracy and no mistakes.
yeah. One question can I go?
Yes,
When
definitely.
you're starting up your career, so how did you learn your communication? Did you join any online or offline institution or you only self prepared yourself only?
When I first started learning.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, at that time I had got a mobile apps where
Right.
I could connect with different kinds of people. And most probably some Indian, Bangladeshi and Pakistani people were using this app, using that apps at that time. And I was communicating those people each and
Mm-hmm.
every days. And so many people I found they were really good at English language and they suggested me you could follow those process, you could follow those
Mm-hmm.
strategies in order to get English language quickly, easily, and in a convenient ways. And I tried to follow their rules. And I also scrolling in YouTube, some great teacher I found there, and I watched their YouTube videos, and they suggested me, advised me some strategies as well that suit me very most. I used to follow those kind of
Mm-hmm.
tips,
Okay.
and I used my life those tips and tricks, and in a little by little, I enhanced my English language.
So
Yeah.
what do you do if you get any free time? What do you do?
In my free time, I highly love to speaking with other people. Sometimes I love to scrolling my mobile phone, but I don't want to waste my time. Sometimes I doing some tension because what I will do in my future and what I will have to do, you know, and that kind of things. I just fall asleep in my bed and I'm thinking, what should I do in my life in my free time? Yeah,
Okay. So not only everyone is facing that is the nature of your future lives.
yeah.
So you don't think in the future. So you don't think in the past. What will happen in the present?
Sorry, what did you say? Would you repeat it
You
again,
don't
please?
think in the future. You don't think in the past. What will happen in the present? You can go ahead on our life.
Yes.
Present.
But everyone should have their realistic goal in their life because if you want to do something in your present time, you should have a realistic goal. Anyhow, you have to reach your goals. So
Mm,
if you have a dream, you might going to do hard work. You might going
yes.
to rid of your problem from your ways.
Mm.
And that is very important to having a dream for your future
Mhm.
in order to make your present perfect.
So
You know.
have you ever been to India visited?
No, I have never been to India, but I'm
Never.
passionate. I'm very wondering to go India because India is a big country, very different cultures, nice people,
You know,
and
you
I have some relatives as well there.
know one thing, in almost 31 states are there in India. So 31 different type of cultures and 31 different type of languages are there. It's totally
Yes,
different than India compared to
yes,
our country.
definitely. Not only 31, most probably more than 20, more than 200 cultures are over there.
Not only I'm saying cultures, languages.
Languages as well,
Each state different kinds
and
of
more than
language.
thousand upon thousand, more than over thousand different
But
kind of
you are
people.
staying closest in India, Kolkata. Just you can go to visit in Kolkata. It is a very big city in India, Kolkata, Pachim Bengal.
Yes, Pachim Bengal is very big city, West Bengal.
Mm.
So, which city do you from basically? Which
Hyderabad,
city? Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, South
You
India.
from Hyderabad and you live in Hyderabad as well.
Yeah, nearby Hyderabad, my hometown. But I'm job purpose. I'm staying in Hyderabad.
So, do you working?
Yeah, yeah. IT employee working as a
Sorry, what did you say? What kind of worker are you are?
developer, database developer.
Astrologer. What does mean? I do not.
No,
I
no,
didn't get it.
developer,
Developer, software
software engineer.
developer.
Yeah, software developer. Yeah, that's
Wow, that's good. That is nowadays is very demandable job, bro. That is a really very demandable job nowadays because
nowadays so different kinds of
software
tools are
is
coming.
everything nowadays. Because of the software, I could communicating with you.
Yes,
Because
that's
of
why
this,
I'm connecting here. That's why I'm connecting here, talking to different kinds of peoples.
yes,
There are-
bro. Because of the software, we connecting with other people easily. We have to accept that truth, and we have to respect developers like the person like you.
Okay. Okay.
So
So
try to do so many different things and new things, convenient things. Make uh world so easy to do very easy things with softwares. You know.
presently, so coming in the chat GPT, AI tools, machine learning, those different type of so tools are coming. So now those are the demanding.
Yes,
The
very demanding, and I
very demanding.
often used to get help from ChatGPT because it's working so fast
Yes.
and incredible apps they
Mm,
have made. ChatGPT is really, really very effective,
mm,
effective tools made by some people, that is working very nice.
yes.
I used to get help
Yeah.
from ChatGPT.
Yes, it will useful to everyone.
Yes,
You can
useful
try
to
to
everyone.
give.
You can get
Yes.
easily any
Yeah.
kind of solutions around the world, from the world. Yes. So, okay, thank you very much for your nice
Yeah.
time, and you can
Have a
call
great.
me anytime here
Yes.
in these
We'll
platforms
we'll
in order
connect with
to.
you. We'll connect with you some other time. Have a great conversation with you. Thanks for joining your
Yes,
precious time. Yeah. Bye.
yes. Thank you very
Take care.
much.
Yeah.
Thank you
Take
very
care.
much for your time. We'll get you soon.
Yes. Bye.